Starting with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Myself Etisham Hamid, and welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Tech Zone for another exciting lecture. In today's lecture, I shall be discussing about program syntax and program semantic and the major differences between the program syntax and program semantic. So program syntax basically refers to the rules and regulations to write any program, whether C language, whether Java, whether C Sharp. So it basically focuses on the rules and the regulations of the writing the program. So syntax is basically rules and the regulation to write a program is program syntax, whereas the program semantic refers to the meaning associated with the statement. So what actually the statements say in the program, or what is the meaning of that the programming statement that you have written. So program semantic is the basically meaning that is associated with the statement in the programming language. So as I said before, syntax is basically the grammar and the structure of programming language, how you are going to write that, what are the grammatical rules to write a program. So this is a program syntax, whereas the program semantic is a way to write correct statement in the program, that how you are going to write a correct program, correct statements in the program is a program semantic. So the errors in the program syntax is handled at compile time. When you compile the your program, then the syntax errors are usually shown at a compile time, whereas semantic errors are shown at runtime. So program syntax, that is the rules and regulations or the grammar and the structure of the program, these are very easy to catch, and whereas the program semantics are often difficult to catch the semantic errors. So I'm going to explain that concept with the help of example. You can see here, this is a simple program in a C language. You can see here this is a preprocessor directive, and as hash includes studio.h int main, and now I have highlighted this statement. You can see here the printf statement. Here is an error. Here is a program syntax error. You can see there's a no commas there, and there is a no semicolon at the end of the printf statement. So this will show the syntax error as the commas is missing, and also the semicolon is also missing here. So the correct syntax will be printf statement, then the arrows, then the commas, and then here. So this is a correct statement. You can see here this is a correct statement to write the printf statements. So this is basically the error, the grammatical error, and that is a program syntax error. So this tells about the grammar and the structure of programming language, whereas in the program semantic case, you can see same hash includes studio.h, that is main function. Now I write here the return 0. Return 0 basically returns shows the end of the program. So when you are going to write return 0 before the printf statement, then it will return nothing. The output will be blank, totally blank. So the printf statement will not run, because here it means that the program is ended here. So this statement, printf statement, will not be executed. So the return 0 must be at the end of the program. So this is a program semantic error. The whole meaning of this program will be changed if you write the return 0 before the printf statement, right? So this is all about the program syntax and the program semantic that I have explained. That is, program syntax is simple, the rules and regulations, whereas the program semantic is related to the meaning of the program, and program syntax is all about grammars, rules and regulation, and it is compiled. Usually errors are handled at a compile time, whereas semantics are usually handled at runtime. So that's all about today. If you like this video, share it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely respond there. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos. Thank you and have a great day.